The 2015 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual front airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, automatic stability control, Bluetooth. Come take a test drive today.